Hey everybody, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to quickly install the MAXxAIR vents on top of my camper. I've got a Paradigm 370 that has two MAXxAIR vents, and I bought some MAXxAIR vents, I guess, on Amazon. They're about 50 bucks. They're on sale right now, so they may be different price now. But I'm going to show you a quick little video on how to install them. Couple tools for the job. One thing you're going to need is a tomahawk. So make sure you have your tomahawk. Aha! See, the tomahawk worked. Your foot's facing the wrong direction there, buddy. Alright. So you've got these little, this is called like little things. You need to like scrape all the die core off. Just enough to where you can get the bolt through, like that. Boom. Just enough to get the pins through it. There's little pins right here. It's a very easy process. So first you just have to make sure you, I'm gonna use this for it because this is so much cooler. So I'm just stripping away a little die core on that side so you can get the bolt through there. Super easy, especially when it's like 90 degrees up on top of the roof. Like that. All right. So I've seen people put screen on the back side of this to keep any bugs and stuff inside here from getting inside, which I think I will do in the future. I'm just not going to do it right now. So that pops in like that, and then it just simply snaps in place, just like that. And then you want this the opening facing away from the front so that it has a nice ability to vent while you're on the road. We're going to move you so that people can see what's happening. So then these little suckers just bolt right in, just like that. Just holds it right in place. Guess they need to make their holes a little bit better. Okay, it's super self-explanatory. Well, not self-explanatory. There are instructions on top to tell you exactly how to do this if you do need assistance or help. I really don't think it's going to make a difference which direction they're going. If you're traveling in this direction with your motorhome, it may be smart to put them that way, but I'm just going to put them this way and I'm going to check them. But I mean, this one's come out would be pretty tough to come out. That's it. Make sure you take the sticker off the top. Instructions. Just a quick little, these are about 50 bucks on Amazon. They were on sale. I'm not sure if they're still going to be on sale. But they should keep, what this is going to do is they're going to keep the sun off of the actual vent itself, and you can have the vent open while it's raining, because these have sensors on them that will close while it's if it starts raining, they'll close. And if you want them open, it's nice to have the option if it's raining outside. That's it. If you like this video, please give it a share and give it a like, and we will see you next time for the next build. Actually not making it easy at all. This is terrible. Okay, it's not as sharp as I thought it was. It's terrible. Aha.